Here, Santana Park. And the race is on. Mama Don't Preach Royal G and running by the rail. Yes, I'm the one racing down on the inside Len, rushing up his blue material. Yes, I'm the one, Royal G, measuring each other's strength and racing in third by about 7 lengths is blue material. Mama Don't Preach Len. Golden Class racing in 6th position. Moving up is Panama King running by the rail, Mr. Integrity. And entry number 2, best guys, is the tail ender as they race the last 600. Royal G by half a length. Yes, I'm the one in second and closing in third is blue material. Moving up by the race, Golden Class as they race the final corner. Royal G draws clear by about 5 lengths. Blue material in second. Yes, I'm the one. And moving up on the outside, in between runners, Golden Class, Panama King, and nearing the finish line. Better go down and collect. Number 7, Royal G. Golden Class, Blue Material, Mama Don't Preach, Close, Len, Panama King, Super 6.